AuGENT's ideation to POC assistant, a solution designed to eliminate one of the most persistent bottlenecks in business, turning promising ideas into stakeholder-ready proof-of-concept documents. Across industries, initiatives like predictive maintenance, process optimization, and digital transformation often stall, not due to lack of vision, but because documentation takes days or even weeks. Bogged down by endless meetings, revisions, and coordination, the ideation to POC assistant changes that. Powered by AuGENT, Soothsayer Analytics platform for orchestrated agentic AI workflows, this system streamlines the entire process of creating proof-of-concept documents. Here's how it works. It begins when a user enters their initial idea description. From this, the assistant suggests a suitable title, outlines relevant sections and optional subsections, and highlights the details to be captured in each. This suggested structure acts as the blueprint for the POC. Users can review and refine the blueprint, changing the title, adding or removing sections, editing capture requirements, or deleting anything unnecessary. Once finalized, the assistant works section by section, asking intelligent, context-aware questions to gather the required information. Dynamic follow-ups ensure completeness while maintaining the flow of conversation. As answers are provided, the system structures them according to enterprise POC standards. In parallel, a live session view is displayed on the right-hand panel, allowing users to edit section content at any time. When all sections are complete, the assistant compiles a draft POC document. The back-end is powered by a state-of-the-art agentic AI workflow built on LangGraph. This is the power of agentic AI, collaborative, contextual, and enterprise-ready. AuGENT's ideation to POC assistant brings speed, structure, and strategic clarity to innovation,